Hello, you are welcome back to class. We have this change of subject question to solve. The period of a compound pendulum is given by the formula T equal to 2 pi square root of h square plus k square over gh. Express k in terms of t, h and g, taking pi square as 10. So we have this change of subject question and we want to express this formula in terms of k. That means we want to make k the subject of the formula. So let's solve it. T equals T 2 pi square root of h square plus k square over gh. Everything in square. So the variable we want to make the change of formula, the change of subject, is in this square root. So we have to look for a way of eliminating this square root so that the k will be able to bring it out and simplify it further. So how do we eliminate square root? We can only eliminate square root by like taking square of both sides. So we can eliminate this by taking square of both sides. So that means we are going to square both sides. And that means we have t in square and 2 pi square root of h square plus k square over gh, everything in square. Now, don't forget, this can be simplified further. So we have t squared equals 2 pi square multiplied by this h square plus k square. So this is what we have. It was when we multiply it together that we have this. So that you will know that this square is affecting this both sides. So this square is going to cancel this square. We are left with t squared equals 2 pi multiplied by 2 pi equals to, so we have been able to eliminate the square root, h squared over k squared plus k squared over gh. So if you multiply this 2 pi multiplied by 2 pi, that will give us 4 pi squared, which equals this h squared plus k squared over gh. This is multiplication, sorry. So we are multiplying this and we are multiplying this. So if you multiply this together, we are going to have t squared equal to 4 pi this. 4 pi square of h square plus k square. And this is over gh. So we can have it in this form. So we can make the two to be a fraction. So the next thing is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, then this will multiply this. We have t squared gh equals 4 pi squared into brackets h squared plus k squared. So don't forget we are making k the subject of the formula. So we want to have this k as something that we can easily simplify. So let's try to eliminate 4 pi square too. How do we eliminate 4 pi square? We can divide through by 4 pi square, and then the 4 pi becomes 4 pi. We have this here. 4 pi square equals this. H square plus k square. So we can take h squared to the other side so that k will be something that we can solve. So t squared hg over 4 pi squared equals, okay, sorry, this is coming here. We have minus h squared equals k squared. So we can rewrite to have k squared equals t squared gh over 4 pi squared minus h squared. So to eliminate the square, We will take square root of both sides. Take square root of both sides. So if we take square root of this, we have k squared equals this over 4 pi squared minus h squared, everything in square root. So this cancel this, we have k equals to square root of c squared gh over 4 pi squared minus h. But we are asked to evaluate when pi squared equals 10. So when pi squared equals 10, then we simplify that for this. So k equals c squared gh over pi is 10, 4 times 10, that will give us 40 minus h. And that gives us the subject of the formula, making k as the subject of the formula.